Welcome to Wheels and Wings, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews, specs breakdowns, and all things automotive. If you love cars as much as we do, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into the 2026 Audi A4, one of the most exciting entries in the luxury sedan market for this year. The 2026 Audi A4 has arrived with a bold new design and a long list of updates that push it even closer to perfection. Audi continues its tradition of blending sophisticated style with high performance and cutting-edge technology. The exterior has been refreshed with sharper lines, a more aggressive front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a sportier overall stance. It looks more athletic yet maintains that classic Audi elegance. Under the hood, the new A4 offers a range of powertrains. You can expect a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine as the base, producing around 201 horsepower, while the upgraded version delivers about 261 horsepower. Both variants are mated to a smooth-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard on higher trims and remains an option on base models, ensuring confident handling in all conditions. Inside the cabin, the 2026 A4 really shines. Audi has taken the interior quality up another notch, offering premium materials everywhere you touch, from the soft leather seats to the brushed aluminum and fine wood trim. The new model features a larger 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Audi's latest MMI software, which is more intuitive and faster than ever. Standard wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a new augmented reality head-up display make sure you stay connected and informed without taking your eyes off the road. The A4 also offers a long list of standard features, including tri-zone automatic climate control, a panoramic sunroof, a digital instrument cluster known as the virtual cockpit, and a powerful Bang & Olufsen sound system on higher trims. Audi has packed the new A4 with a ton of advanced driver assistance features too. Expect adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a new semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising. On the road, the 2026 Audi A4 offers a balanced and refined driving experience. The steering is precise, the ride quality is smooth yet engaging, and the available adaptive suspension lets you customize the drive to your mood. Whether you want a comfortable commuter or a spirited canyon carver, the A4 can easily adapt to your needs. Overall, the 2026 Audi A4 is a masterclass in blending performance, luxury, and technology into one sleek package. Audi has managed to evolve the A4 without losing the elements that have made it such a fan favorite over the years. Thanks for hanging out with us here at Wheels and Wings. If you enjoyed this review and want more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. We have a lot more awesome content coming your way. See you in the next one. Would you also like me to create a slightly more energetic or casual version depending on the vibe you want for your channel?